Hello, we are at present sitting with uh, the Union Minister and Senior BJP leader Prahlad Joshi, who is the MP candidate from the Dharwad parliamentary seat. So, the BJP, the Bharatiya Janata Party, is fielding him for the fifth time in Dharwad. And so, good afternoon, sir. Initially, we welcome you to for speaking with NewsX. It's 4 days or a couple of few days into the elections, and what is your gut feeling, and what is the pulse of the people in your constituency?
In my constituency and even in state, people are with Modi-led Bharatiya Janata Party. And I am quite confident about my constituency in particularly because I have worked here. Highest ever grants have been sanctioned to this constituency in last 75 years. जो कुछ भी 75 वर्ष में नहीं हुआ था वो अभी हुआ है. तो एटलीस्ट आई कैन से 65 ईयर्स में, क्योंकि 10 वर्ष से 65-60 ईयर्स से, क्योंकि मोदी जी आके 10 वर्ष हो गया. तो हमारे काम को लोग देखा है. जो अभी आप रास्ता सड़क आप जा रहे हैं, ये तो हमने बनाए हैं मोदी जी के सरकार से. ऐसे बहुत चीज़ मैं बोल सकता हूँ आपको. रेलवे स्टेशन से लेके फसल बीमा योजना का जो लाभ मिला है, मैक्सिमम लाभ मिला है. तो इसलिए मुझे लगता है जो मोदी जी का स्कीम्स है, इंडिविजुअल बेनिफिट का जो सशक्तिकरण का स्कीम, वो भी हमने बहुत अच्छी ढंग से पहुंचाया है और उनके साथ मेरा कनेक्ट है. तो इसलिए मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि इस बार लोग जो गत चुनाव में जो मिला था उससे ज़्यादा वोट मिलेगा, बहुत ज़्यादा वोट मिलेगा.
So, you have crossed your 60 and you're still fit, and you are actively campaigning day after day. So, we also got to know that jowar roti is your famous or the favorite dish. So, what keeps you going like this, very active?
जैसे आपने कहा, जवार रोटी इज़ माई वेरी वेरी फेवरेट डिश. जवार रोटी इधर तो फेमस है. ऐसे तो मेरा बाल्यकाल से ही हम जवार रोटी खाते हैं, क्योंकि हमारा घर में वही है, मेन फूड आइटम वही है. तो वो हेल्दी भी है. उसके साथ ही साथ नॉर्मल डेज में मैं रेगुलर जो जितना भी प्रेशर हो तो भी रेगुलर 4-5 किलोमीटर वॉकिंग करता हूँ. पूरा सप्ताह में 7 दिन नहीं करता हूँ, लेकिन 4-5 दिन योगा वगैरह करता हूँ.
Okay.
तो भगवान के दया से, आप सब लोगों के दुआ से मैं अभी तक फिट हूँ.
Okay. Sir, how do you think the state BJP unit is working, and how many BJP seats would be the NDA can win from Karnataka this time?
Under the guidance of B.S. Yediyurappa, who is the senior most leader from Karnataka in Bharatiya Janata Party, and Mr. Vijayendra, and together we are all working. We are working well. I am quite confident that at least लास्ट टाइम हमने 26 जीता था.
Okay.
25+1.
Correct.
तो एट एनी कॉस्ट उससे तो कम नहीं होगा, उससे ज़्यादा ही होगा.
Okay. Fine. So, how many seats will the NDA bag in the election, according to you, sir, nationally?
400 पार जो मोदी जी का घोषणा है एनडीए एज सच, वी विल डू दैट. आई एम वेरी वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट. आई कीप इंटरेक्टिंग to my other colleagues in the various states whenever I sit in the vehicle.
Okay.
कभी कभी मध्य प्रदेश वालों को, कभी कभी उत्तर प्रदेश वालों को मैं बात करता रहता हूँ, क्योंकि मेरा संपर्क है इसके कारण.
Sir, how do you think of Prime Minister Modi's leadership in the country, and how has he performed as a part of for the nation on the global platform?
Global platform, it is par excellence, I can say, but at the very outset, initially itself, मैं माफ़ी चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि मोदी जी को लोग सर्टिफिकेट दे, हम कौन है देने वाले. लोग दिया है, 2 बार दिया है। और चुनाव में राज्यों के चुनाव में लोग उनको सर्टिफिकेट दिया है। हम कौन होता है देने वाला है? हम तो एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का एक कार्यकर्ता है, बीजेपी का एक कार्यकर्ता है, लेकिन लोग जनता ने दिया है मोदी जी को सर्टिफिकेट, और इस बार भी देंगे, क्योंकि एक तो मोदी जी का एक भी उन्होंने ही इज जीरो टॉलरेंस टू द करप्शन, जीरो टॉलरेंस टू टेररिज्म। तो इसके कारण देश में जो इकोनॉमी का ग्रोथ हुआ है ये अनपैरेलल है। तो जब इकोनॉमी अच्छे होता है और जब हमारे पास ताकत है, इंटरनेशनल फोरम में भी आपको रिस्पेक्ट मिलता है, इज्जत मिलता है। तो वही हुआ है। मोदी जी को अभी कैसे भारत को ट्रीट कर रहे हैं आप देखे होंगे।
Okay. So, Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah never misses an opportunity to launch an attack on Prime Minister Modi or Home Minister Amit Shah. So, on any reasons whatsoever, like, what do you think of that, sir?
No, whatever they do, their deeds and misdeeds, omission and commission for both, he tries to hold responsible central government and Prime Minister Modi is responsible. But people know what is Modi and what is Siddaramaiah. If for some of our own issues or problems in last election, we might have been defeated. But what has happened to Karnataka, Congress party in the entire country, this everybody knows it. The party which had more than 20 state governments and 400 states in its hand. Today, 3 states, another one is also, it is shaking. And they are not even able to become opposition party, recognized opposition party, and this time also same thing is going to happen. What they talk about Modi, which ultimately in democracy people have to give certificate, and people have given certificate to Shri Modi.
Okay. So, Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar says that this time in Karnataka, the Congress would win more than 20 seats out of 28. And he is also establishing or laying his confidence on the assembly elections that were held, in which Congress took 135 seats. So, what is your take on that?
No, let me remind Mr. Shivakumar, in 2013 also they had won the assembly election. 2014 Siddaramaiah became first, 2013 Siddaramaiah became first time CM of the Karnataka. Then after a year, again like this year only, there were Lok Sabha election, and at that time they were telling that we are going to win 28 of 28. How much they could win? Not even 8. And in 2018, they were claiming that JDS and Congress together will sweep. So what happened? This time also same thing is going to happen, because Modi's popularity, even an iota of popularity, has not come down.
Okay. So, coming to your Dharwad constituency, what are the issues that are plaguing in your constituency that you think that you need to work upon or change?
As it is, we have done many things in the last 10 years.
Okay.
May it be logistics, conveyance, communication, many things. Airport. We have made an operational airport and we want to upgrade it with another terminal now. There is a direct flight to Mumbai, Delhi, Pune, and so many other places which was not there during the UPA time or before to this. By that, people are, bigger industry people, they want to come and invest in Hubli Dharwad. It's a very safe place. And the roads, water, law and order, all these things we have maintained well. And also infrastructures like railway, railway station, doubling between Hubli, Dharwad, Bengaluru, doubling, electrification, IIT, triple IT, all these things we have brought in. Now our intention is to reduce the total journey hours between Bengaluru and Hubli for 4.5 hours. Because previously It was almost 8 hours. Now we have brought it to 5.5 hours. And again, we want to bring it to 4 hours from Hubli and 4.5 years from Dharwad. So that will create a most logistic comfortable to the many people. So investment will come to Hubli Dharwad. My main thrust is that now, since we have created good infrastructure under the guidance of and with the support of Prime Minister Modi, we want that
Okay.
industry should come and invest. And also we want to nearest port. There is no nearer port to the Hubli Dharwad. We want to start nearest port in the Belikeri.
So saying that that would be the first thing that you'd be focusing on once you
Yeah.
win the elections.
You are right.
Okay, fine, sir. Union Home Minister Amit Shah was in Dharwad yesterday, so he was highlighting about some works that you have done, and he also spoke to the people or appealed to the people, saying that this time you shouldn't do it the same mistake. So what do we gather from that, sir? Like, is there anything that we can?
He has not said mistake. Where he has said mistake?
He has said
He's-
no. The people of Hubli Dharwad shouldn't do a mistake, is what he referred. So I thought,
No. You have not heard. He said, पिछले चुनाव में जिताया है बहुत अच्छे मार्जिन से, इससे ज़्यादा अच्छे मार्जिन से जिताओ
oh, okay.
तो पार्टी उनको और बड़ा बना देंगे, ऐसे बोला है.
Oh, okay. Maybe I beg your pardon. Okay. So what do you think of this drought relief fund release controversy that the Congress and the BJP is having a slugfest between them, both in the state and at the national level?
Let Congress look at its history first.
Okay.
They were ruling for the more than 60 years in the country, including the recent Sonia Manmohan tenure. And in all these years, what we have given to the state, what was the demand of the state? What was the demand of the state in drought and in flood, and what is the fund released by the central government? All put together, thousands crores together, 20,000, 30,000 crores was the request. From 2004 to 9, amounts out from the Government of India was 15,541 rupees. Whether it is for in some areas it was drought and some areas it was flood. Amount released by Government of India was all put together was 907 crore rupees. Okay. From 2009 to 13, 29,000 crore, 97 rupees was asked. Total release was 2,672 crores. So what is the percentage of both? One is 13% and another 18%. Whereas BJP government from 2014 to 23, total demand was 30,000, almost 31,000 crores. Release was 15,401 crores. Total 51% we have released. This is number one. Number two, delays because the entire country there is a drought. They have given, there was some observation by the central government which clarification was seeked. In this process, many a times years together, Congress government has also taken. It is on record. And as soon as code of conduct came in place, then government had requested EC to exempt it. Before that exemption could come, they have gone to the court. They want to politicize. They are not bothered. And also another thing, during Yediyurappa government also, there was UPA government then central. At that time, we also placed some request. We placed our demand, but they did not give. But we paid in those days 27,000 rupees per hectare relief. What Mr. Siddaramaiah has given? 2,000 rupees. You are insulting farmers. To cover up that, he is making allegation of the center.
Okay, fine.
I hope it is
Yeah,
over now.
yeah,
Thank
it's
you.
clear. Sir, actually, coming to Neha murder case, Neha Hiremat's murder case, the Congress is saying that it has done whatever it could, like filing an FAR and talking with the victim's father, and who's also a Congress worker. So, how do you see that case? Is like, would it make a dent in the vote bank in Hooghly, or?
I'm not bothered about vote bank. I see it as with a humanitarian perspective. I never look into it as a vote bank. I don't want use it to my vote bank or my vote share. I'm only telling what they are telling today. We have filed FIR, we have done so. The same day, on the day on which murder took place, I went to that mortuary where the dead body was kept. Parents were not there at that time, and I saw the body. I felt, I was feeling giddiness because it was so horrible murder. Then I came out and I was going back. At that time, girl's father called me and requested me to come back. I was in the KIMS premises itself. I went there. He said it has to be given to be CBI, and my daughter was forced to convert to Islam, and ultimately she denied because she is a staunch uh, believer of this Lingayat, Linga Puja bolte hai. She is strong believer. तो लिंग पूजा बिना लिंग पूजा वो पानी भी नहीं पीते थे, तो इसीलिए उन्होंने डिनाई किया है. तो इसका ये कारण रखते हुए मर्डर हुआ. दिस इज द एलिगेशन ऑफ फादर. इट इज नॉट माय एलिगेशन. इट इज ऑन रिकॉर्ड विद द मीडिया आल्सो. देन व्हाट सिद्धरामैया, हाउ ही रिएक्टेड, सो कैजुअल. होम मिनिस्टर ऑफ द स्टेट, सो कैजुअल. होम मिनिस्टर तो ये आकस्मिक घटना है ऐसे बताया. आकस्मिक क्या होता है, अगर हम जा रहे हैं पीछे से आके एक गाड़ी धक्का मारते तो आकस्मिक होता है, मीन्स एक्सीडेंट होता है. तो ऐसा सब बातचीत करके बाद में विषाद व्यक्त की, पश्चाताप व्यक्त की.
Trivializing the.
Then after that, when entire society stood against the government, then these people started trying to repairing it, rather troubleshooting it. So Mr. H.K. Patil came. He made parents to talk to CM. At that time, it was told that we will give it to CID. The very first day I had told his demand is for the CBI and fast track court. You do it, Mr. Siddaramaiah, so that let everybody be confident that government is serious on the issue. They will not allow such nonsense thing to happen. But they did not do it because they thought of vote bank. We never thought of vote bank.
Sir, coming to the Prajwal Revanna's pen drive 6 scandal, so will it create a dent for the BJP in the state?
Why?
How this-
Why? You know, the information which is coming out now, these clippings were there from 7-8 years. You people canvassed for them in 2018, 2019 election. Because of Siddaramaia's support, Prajwal became MP. At present, he is MP with the Siddaramaia's Congress party support. And all these years, you had intelligence with you. You had Kumaraswamy government where you were the partners. And 21, first time these clippings came into the public domain. Up to 20 years, what you were doing? Why did you not file the FIR and detain him? ये तो जो सिद्धरामैया ने ही भेजा है इनको अब्रॉड. Mr. Siddaramaiah is hand in glove. He has sent him to abroad.
Okay. Fine.
बीजेपी को चाहे बीजेपी 3 सीट देके अलायंस किया है. आप तो पार्टनर होके जो 38 सीट वाला पार्टी था उनको आपने मुख्यमंत्री बनाया. आपका 68 और 70 सीट्स था. तो बोलने में थोड़ा हिस्ट्री भी ध्यान रख के बोलो मिस्टर सिद्धरामैया. वही मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ.
Okay, sir. Coming to this Congress's controversial statements on this Muslim reservation being taken away from the OBCs. So, what is the?
They have recommended it. NCBC, that is National Commission on Backward Castes.
Classes.
backward class, they have given them notice. They want to do it. They want to add entire OBC Muslim into the OBC, which can't be done according to constitution, but they are trying to do it. That's why we have said, you come and explain. NCBC has said, come and explain. National Commission on Backward Class or Backward Community, kuch hai wo.
So what do you think of that, sir? Like,
It will harm other OBCs.
Oh.
You can't make reservation to a religion. What Congress has said, neither it is a religion, nor it is a caste.
But Siddaramaiah says, according to Article 15 and 16, it is laid in the Constitution that the reservations are meant for backward classes, which also includes from all the classes and not particular.
Already 19 castes of the Muslim community,
Yeah.
it is in the reservation list. Why are you taking entire Muslim community? Either in class, kya hai, Pravarga A, what is it called in English? I don't. Category 1. It is there in category 1, and it's also in 2A. It is in 2B. Why you are adding entire Muslim into 2A? So they are doing it for the vote bank politics, and they are hitting on the head of OBC, other OBCs.
Okay. Sir, coming to the inheritance tax controversy, the Congress said, you'd have noted about Sam Pitroda's statement, and the Congress manifesto promoting it is what like being all over social media. So, how do you see that issue as?
कांग्रेस पार्टी, ये जो प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कहा, आपका जो मंगलसूत्र है, मंगलसूत्र भी नहीं छोड़ेंगे, परफेक्ट है, ये तो वही करने का सोच रहे हैं.
Okay. Sir, what do you think of the arrest of the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal?
9 बार समन देने के बाद भी आप नज़रअंदाज करते हो, नंबर 1. नंबर 2, अगर केस बहुत सीरियस है, नहीं तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट अभी तक डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर को, सत्येंद्र जैन को क्यों बेल नहीं दिया है? Since there is a prima facie case, that's why it has not been given. Otherwise, court would have been, because nobody can deny that Indian judiciary is very, very independent. So many judgments have been given against the government also. So why Kejriwal would have been denied? Why Kejriwal has been denied? Because there is a stuff in the case. He has done it. जो कुछ भी बात करते करते आया, करप्शन, अरैक फ्री स्टेट, सब छोड़ दिया है और हवा में चल रहा है, इसलिए पकड़ा गया है. कोर्ट भी इसमें संज्ञान में लिया है.
Okay. Sir, again, the opposition Congress in the center is harping about Chinese aggression into certain states like Arunachal Pradesh and Assam.
चाइनीज एग्रेशन का ये जो लोग इतना बेशरम लोग हैं, जो लोग 34,000 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर लैंड चाइना को दिया है, हाउ चाइना कुड बिकम द नेबर ऑफ द इंडिया? बिकॉज यू सपोर्टेड टिबेट एनक्रोचमेंट. अदरवाइज चाइना वुड हैव नेवर बीन आवर नेबर. आप लोग क्या बात करते हैं? राहुल गांधी बात करते हैं, उसके ऊपर प्रश्न पूछने का भी एक मुझे लगता है योग्य नहीं है.
It was pleasure talking with you, and so wishing you all the best for your
Thank you.
elections. And so that was Union Minister and Senior BJP leader Prahlad Joshi with us talking to NewsX.